Now look at this vehicle going from wrong side. Look at this traffic. So hello friends, good afternoon from Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. This will be a very short motor vlog in which I will show you some streets and also some local places. I hope the audio is very clear, and it is a winter time. Definitely, since I have installed a camera, the people must be looking, but this time I won't care because I have to do my work and I have to do my job. They want to stare, just stare. I won't really care this time because I'm fed up of these stalkers who try to stare at my camera, and it is very difficult for me as a motor vlogger because all of them are looking at my camera. Left hand side you have regular markets, and you have some mobile shops, some shops related to decoration of home decor shops. And as usual you have traffic. We have to bear with this. We don't have any other options. Look at this traffic jam. And Ghaziabad police is worthless. They won't fill this situation. And look at the people who have kept their car on the roadside. So irresponsible people. Just look at this car, Hyundai Grand, and this car belongs to police. So as expected, police is very much irresponsible, and they have kept their car as if this road belongs to their father, and they have let the people to suffer. They are crawling like crocodiles or else like a tortoise. You won't see any police here. Police is absent, and only they are busy for collecting fines, nothing else. Just look at the intensity of traffic jams we have facing. So irritating and so frustrating as a motor vlogger. Now look at this, and people have kept their vehicles on the roadside as if there is no parking space available. So guys, few minutes ago my friend was calling, so I had to cut the call, so sorry for inconvenience. So again I am continuing my motor vlog here. Now just relief because the vehicles are not there, being very much relaxed here. Now I will be heading towards Vaishali Metro to pick up my friend because he has to attend some Christmas program. So as I was telling in my last minute that instead of purchasing such heavy and expensive vehicles, you should purchase a simple scooter or motorcycle because you can't cross through this heavy traffic and you don't even know how to ride swiftly. So instead of wasting your petrol on such heavy and expensive vehicles, you shall purchase a simple commutative vehicle like a Splendor or a normal TVS scooter or else Honda scooter. And let me tell you guys, the people who are living in European countries or in any North American countries, they should come to India for testing their motorcycle or a bike riding skills. And let me tell you guys, you will have really a tough time here. This is a temple, and again some small traffic came. To this some small obstruction, my motorcycle was stopped for a few minutes. Like this you have to pass like a snake, otherwise you don't have any option. Go stuck in the traffic jam. And you have some obstacles like this, and on left hand side you have some wine shop and also some food stalls and juice corners. And look at this guy, and definitely he will be looking at my camera, but thank God he didn't look at my camera. And these are some property dealer offices on left hand side and also some food stores. So within few minutes Vaishali Metro I will be reaching there in Vaishali Metro. So here commences the Vaishali Metro on left hand side. Being a motor vlogger is not an easy task because traffic, when you have to face some miscarriages on the road. So guys, I will be ending my motor vlog. Thank you if you have watched my video till now. Till then, take care, and I will see you in next vlog. Thanks.